Define well-defined and the empty set. A well-defined set clearly communicates whether an element is a member of the set or not. The members of a well-defined set are fixed and do not change over time. The empty set, also called the null set, is a set without any elements. It is written symbolically using a pair of braces, with no elements included, or a zero with a slash through it. Let's look at a few examples of these. Example, well-defined number 1. For each of the following collections, determine if it represents a well-defined set. A. The set of all past vice presidents of the United States. Well, from this description, can we determine who is in this set and who isn't? And the answer is yes. You can tell who all of the past vice presidents are without any trepidation. You don't have to be concerned about if you've gotten them all, right? We just know that we know who's in this set and we know who's not. So perhaps yes is not the right answer for that. How about well-defined? Part B, a set of old cats. Well, I'm going to go ahead and say this is not well-defined because I don't know which cats we are talking about here. We just know that it's a set of old cats. So this description is not good enough to determine what is in that set and what is not in that set, or what is not contained in that set. Example, well-defined number 2. For each of the following collections, determine if it represents a well-defined set. Part A, good movies released in 2023. This is not a well-defined set because good movies is subjective. To you and to me, a movie may or may not be good, or it may be good. So, Part B, movies released in 2023 that grossed more than $50 million. Now this set is well defined because it is not up to the viewer to determine, where it is up to the viewer to determine if it's good. This, saying how much it grossed, is an objective fact. We can easily determine whether something fits this description or not. Example, the empty set. So I have a definition here. It's a prime number. A prime number is a natural number greater than 1 that is only divisible by 1 and itself. So part A, write the set of prime numbers less than 2. Well, wait a second, because a prime number has to be greater than 1. Okay, well, greater than 1, but here we're saying it also has to be less than 2, and it's a natural number, so those are the counting numbers. So I can write 2 braces, and that is the empty set. Set of prime numbers less than 2, there aren't any, so it is the empty set. Part B, write the set of birds that are also mammals. Once again, this is the empty set, which I suppose I could use the other symbol, the 0 with a slash through it. So note the 2 different symbols, the 0 with a slash and the set of braces with nothing between them, for the empty set can be used interchangeably. Neither is incorrect or correct. Okay, you can use either one interchangeably. Now, a fun fact here is that birds are actually classified as reptiles, so there are no birds that are also mammals, which is why the answer was the empty set.